with the easier definition of envy. Various dictionary states that envy is a feeling of displeasure or indignation at someone or something regarded as the cause or injured or insult, irritation. Envy is a feeling of discontent and resentment aroused by and in conjunction with desire for the possession or qualities of another. It's a resentful desire for another advantage. Enviness, begrudging, resentfulness, resentment, grudging, spite is to feel indignantly aggrieved at another for what they have properly earned. Resentment is indignation or ill will felt as a result of a real or imaginary grievances. According to dictionary, the word of an envious person, when that wicked condition is maturing, are filled with hatred and resentment and indignation, bad feelings, anger, outrage, spirit, eerie, crossness, bad temper, ill will, rancor, bitterness, sourness, soreness, irritation, wounded pride, hurt feelings, displeasure, animosity, vindictiveness, vengefulness, spite. Out of envy, an envious person comes expressing of dissatisfaction, murmuring, complaint, grumbling, squawking, criticism, protesting, unjust, objection. True, these also come from other bad qualities, but these and also worse come from envy. This kind of person is not far from plotting your death. They already are planting this seed in others or have started to move on you with death themselves while smiling in your face and telling others they love you. Certainly, you've seen persons who are on their way towards the realization of their dream or vision. That is a divinely accepted part of Allah's universal order of things and is based on Allah's purpose for their gifts and talents, who is yet hated for this by another. Let's look at it this way. Minister Louis Farrakhan plays the violin beautifully. It is not his top talent. However, it serves his top talent. He is admired for his ability to play the violin. Those who realize how difficult this instrument is to learn and play especially admire Minister Louis Farrakhan. They know that he did not really play this wonderful instrument for over 40 years. They deeply appreciated what this has took of him in terms of his perseverance, his discipline, practice, his dedication, his humility in learning, and even accepting correction and advice from his teacher. And most of all, his motives for picking up the violin and presenting his work in the public in the first place. Now, imagine another person feeling envious, resentful over Minister Farrakhan's work with his violin in the concert in which he displayed his talent and the result of his hard work. Why would anyone feel envy towards Minister Louis Farrakhan for his work? What would be happening in the mind of that person for an ideal like that to come about? Let's look at this a little bit further into the word of the dictionary of this horrible spiritual disease called envy. that is given above,